Do you know what? Mommy and Daddy have a little bit of a surprise for you. Just a tiny surprise for Axel this morning. What could it be? Ow, ow, ow. I think...
It's here.
Oh, it might be a mailman. Wait, wait, wait. Don't move a muscle. You're getting way too excited, aren't you? I'm gonna have to tickle your excited face. What could it be? I don't know. Nope, don't open it. I'm going to look out the peephole. See if you guys can see out there. Someone just rang the doorbell, Daddy.
Oh, that's a surprise. There's a package here. That's a package.
I got 2 surprises. Oh look.
Oh
There's
my
another
gosh. Hi, Mom. Good to see you too.
Listen first. Is that surprise alive?
Snortin Nortin. What's it sound like, Axel?
What's it sound like?
A pig.
It's
Oh my gosh, it's a pig.
It's a wild pig.
It's a wild pig.
Hey, Nortin.
Snortin
What
Nortin.
a cutie.
He's actually pretty calm.
So cute.
I started petting him and he started just like,
Oh, he'll root. And your neck and stuff.
good. Yeah.
So funny.
Oh.
So cute.
Oh, he likes climbing things.
You probably have to pet her real gently.
Is it a boy?
Yes. Look at
If
him.
you had a boy and a girl, that would be bad. They would make babies. It's better that it's in the wild because then you wouldn't have to make money to buy it at the store.
If you caught it in the wild, you mean?
This isn't my terrain here.
Yeah,
It's like
really.
a tap dancer. Tap dancing pig. Oh, he needs to eat? All right. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, he's nosy.
He's like, nosy. He's got a big nosy. Hey. There's a pig in the kitchen.
That's not breakfast, right?
Norman?
Nortin. Snortin Nortin.
Snortin. Rootin' tootin'.
Nortin.
You're looking for some food, huh, baby? I know.
He loves you.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, where are you going? Is that cool, bro?
Look, he's Gran.
He's eating lettuce?
Uh-huh.
Here.
It's Gran said.
There you go. Just eat. Maybe? Nope. He's like, nope, no. Organic lettuce or meat. Dude, what did Gram get you?
These.
Some little animals there. And
This for River the
some John Deere, dude, pajamas.
Sarah, I got all this out of your container things. It was such hard work. I hated to throw it away.
Hey guys, why am I the same size as the bear? This doesn't make sense. Huh? What's this thing? Oh, camera. Huh?
Look at this, he's feeding the pig. You're missing
Oh no. Oh, he's hungry. Is that cool?
He's kind
He's
of
tripping. He's like, I'm hungry.
He's a pig, is what he is.
He's a pig.
I never knew what pig meant, but I know now. Just
There you
hold
go.
it up, because he'll get air on
So
him.
what's he eating? Canada Dry?
No, he's eating a multi-species milk replacement. It's for pigs and goats, horses,
He's like,
cows,
it's for me. Give me that. Give me that.
cats, dogs.
River said,
Right there. That's fine.
"You're teething, aren't you? I just want to chew on everything, especially my fingers. They're so yummy. Let's see here. She'll make you smile, she'll make you laugh. She'll make you love her dearly. And the happiness she brings will grow daily, monthly, yearly. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty these bibs are. That is so cute. Oh, look at the little pockets. Thank you, Aunt Pam. I love you. Cute pig. What do you think about the pig, Axe?
That hair in the river.
Hair in the river, yes.
Hi, little piggy. Do you want to say hi to the families watching the vlog? Oh, hi, buddy.
That's Snortin Nortin.
Hi, Snortin Nortin.
Walk around, Axel, and call it. He'll come and he'll follow you. Nortin!
Hey, Nortin. Hey. He's like, hey, how is this accomplished? Do you like the dump truck, Nortin?
Nortin has the pig cam.
Come on, Nortin, come on. Come on, boy, here.
Hey, he's like, what is that? What is that? You guys are on the pig cam. The blue stick? Okay, yeah.
Oh.
All right, it's piggy tricks.
Baby,
Ready?
jump
Oh.
I just bit it.
Okay, put it on the lower. There you go, Nortin. Let's see you jump over the stick. Oh.
He's too busy looking at the bottle.
Yeah. There you go. Oh! He's surprisingly agile for a pig. He's like, I'm just hungry. Just give me my food.
Hey.
Do you want a pig?
Hey, I can jump over the stick. I'm just as cute as that piglet. I can jump over the stick.
You are. You're cuter.
Here I come.
Just a little bit cuter.
Here I come.
Oh, it's so high, River. Can you do it?
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
You did it.
You did it, River.
You did it.
Yeah.
What do you think about this sunshine? It sure is a lovely day in Texas. We're about to move back to the Pacific Northwest, so soaking up as much sunshine as possible.
Hey.
Do you love me,
Put in your
Kim?
mouth. Is it that camera again? Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. You gonna tell me? Yeah, you gonna tell me? aren't you? Oh, he's sweetheart. Oh, look.
That was a little bit frightening.
That means you earn the same car and another one. So now you have 3 cars.
Ooh.
I'll set it up in a way you've never seen. Now you can look.
I'm looking. Are we ready?
Yeah. Oh, that one was good.
This is going to be River's first time seeing a pig. Are you ready to see a baby pig? Look. Oh my goodness. Come here. Say what? She's like, what on earth is that thing? I want to go for a walk.
Oh, well, the pig just chased Axel instead. Come here, Nortin.
Oh, it's okay.
Pig.
That darn pig. Hey, Nort. Oh, look, he smelled her.
Come here, Nortin.
He's like, Nort. He's like, Mommy, save me.
What did you think about that little pig, River? She's like, I don't know. It's time to walk, Mama. Let's go. He's been swimming for a walking. There you go, boom. Boom.
Piglet smells food is coming, so he's starting to go a little bit crazy. Oh my gosh, right now.
She's crazy about it.
Poor baby. He has no traction. Let me help him.
Wow.
What a mess. This is what they mean when they say, you act like a pig.
It's the automatic kissing machine.
So you laugh when you move left?
Did you like the kissing machine, River? I'll leave you too, River. I'll leave you too. Say, hello, you too. Woo, woo, woo.
Okay, cucumber done, Daddy.
You're cooking a cucumber? Do you think that's gonna be good? You think so? I don't know about that. Doesn't hurt to try. That's unschooling for you. The whole knife going? Oh snap.
It's gonna melt.
No, it won't melt. It's metal. But you would never put your hand in there to get it, right? Yeah. That butter knife's a goner. It's gonna melt any second now. You know it won't. You know why? the butter knife is made of the same material that pan is. So if the butter knife melts, the pan's already melted.
Can you talk to us, River girl? River, your brother has oh, throw up. Uh-oh. And that's
River, lick it up.
throw up. Oh, come now. Talk to honey. Wow, it's so gross. We have a little kitty named Axel here. It's a little kitty named Meow Meow Axel. Let me have the kitty treats.
If we give you kitty treats, will you do kitty treats?
What kitty treats do we have here, folks? Organic basil. All right, what are you going to do for your basil treats, kitty? Now, first I want you to say meow 3 times.
Meow, 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 meow.
That was 4.
Meow, 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 meow.
Awesome.
Nope. Only 3 times, silly kitty.
Meow, meow.
That was 2.
Meow, 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 meow.
No, 3. 3 meows.
Meow,
Kitty.
meow.
There you go. Ow, ow, ow. Gentle kitty. Got your basil treat. No, don't eat all of them, silly. All right, the kitty's going to go nuts on the basil.
River, look at Axel. He's eating all the basil. He's a monster.
He's a basil eating
You're a
maniac.
I'm a
monster.
kitty cat.
I didn't know that cats enjoyed basil that much.
Cats enjoyed basil at all.
All right, kitty. It's time to go to bed. Oh, River got brother. Way to go, girl. You're going to be just as fast as him one of these days.
Maybe.